Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making dill pickles. I have some nice pickling cucumbers. I'm going to trim the ends and cut them in half. I have two 1-quart canning jars, and to each of them I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 5 cloves of garlic, a nice bunch of fresh dill, and I'm going to then just start packing the jars tightly with the pickle halves. If they're a little high, you might wish to just trim them. You do want to have some head space, and you want to make sure all of the pickles fit in the liquid. Now in one of them, I like to put a chili in. I like my pickles a little spicy, so I'll just drop that right in there. I have 2 quarts of filtered water, and in it I've dissolved 5 tablespoons of sea salt. You could use kosher if you'd like. And I'm just going to ladle the brine over the cucumbers, leaving about 1.5 to 2 inches of headspace. I have some fermenting lids, and these will just allow any gas that builds up in fermentation to be released. That means that I don't have to keep my eye on it, and I'll find a spot in my kitchen that's between 70 and 80 degrees, and I'll let these ferment for 3 to 7 days, depending on how sour you want them, and then I'll serve them up. Let's open them up and give them a taste. Try the spicy ones. Let's give it a taste. It's got that deep sour pickle taste. You can taste that dill and garlic when it's got a little bit of heat that's building up. That is a seriously delicious pickle. Now I'll just take a normal lid, put this right on top. I'll put these pickles in the refrigerator. That will stop the fermentation, and then I'll just serve them up as needed. And there you have it. That's how you make dill pickles. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.